What's up, homie? I'm Tony from LCSIGN. Today I'll take you through the final step of manufacturing, packaging and shipping. This link will affect whether the products can be successfully delivered to your hands. Very critical. Remember to like and follow us. Okay, follow me into today's content. After completing the production and quality inspection and ensuring that there are no problems with the product, we will package and ship the product. Come to our packaging area and choose the right packaging box. We'll match the corresponding package boxes according to different products and sizes. Put the advertising signage and accessories into the box together, sealing the edge to complete the packaging and sticking with warning label. Of course, we also respect the customer's needs and actual conditions and provide separate packaging or packaged together. And products will wait here for logistics company transportation. Generally speaking, FedEx is responsible for logistics and transportation, and the logistics time is usually 4 to 6 days, including our production time. It is usually 3 to 5 days, so it is usually taking at least 10 days to receive the goods after placing the order. Of course, some customers have the other needs, such as customizing their own logos on the packaging, boxes, etc. Contacting us for practical solutions. LCSIGN is a professional advertising manufacturer with over 13 years of experiences. We are your best choice on signage. If you have any questions, please contact us for a free quote. Follow LCSIGN for more. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.